In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check blog traffic on Google Analytics. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting, understanding your site's traffic is crucial for maintaining and growing your audience. Google Analytics provides an easy and comprehensive way to track this data. So, let's walk through the process step by step. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Analytics' official site. The easiest way to do this is by heading over to their Analytics Tools and Solutions page. You might want to bookmark this page for future reference if you haven't already. Once you're on the Google Analytics homepage, the next step is to sign in. Look for and click on the Sign In to Analytics button. Enter your login details if prompted. If you're already logged into your Google account, you may be taken directly to the Analytics dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to Google Analytics Home. This is your control center where you can access a myriad of data related to your website's performance. Spend a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this is where your site's data will begin to reveal itself. Next, in the Google Analytics Home, you need to click on Reports found on the left-hand panel. It's here where you can delve deeper into the specifics of your site's performance. Under the Reports section, find and click Engagement. This section provides insights into how users interact with your content, and it is critical to understanding the depth of their engagement. After clicking on Engagement, you'll want to proceed by selecting Pages and Screens. This option will showcase the specific traffic metrics for individual pages on your site. It's a powerful tool for identifying which posts are most popular among your audience and which may need improvement. The Pages and Screens section will provide a list of pages, each accompanied by metrics such as views, average engagement time, and more. Pay attention to these metrics as they can help you understand how each piece of content is performing. Taking notes on trends or surprising data can be helpful for creating future content strategies. Remember, regularly checking this data will help you make informed decisions about content creation and audience engagement. Make it a habit to review your blog traffic and refine your strategies accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully navigated Google Analytics to check your blog traffic. By understanding and analyzing this data, you can begin to create more targeted content, increase engagement, and grow your blog's reach. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore more tutorials on optimizing your website's performance. Thank you for watching, and happy blogging.